Alright, you want to check out your new pool? Alright, let's put some water in it. Hold on. Okay. Checking out the new pool. Yay! Oh, Yanko, you hit us right in the middle of it there, buddy. Goofy puppy. Here, let's put the water down in here. There you go. Oh, you're standing in that one? You guys, that one's muddy. Saya. You're hogging it? You can't hog it. Hogging the dish. Well, Yike is the smart one over here. She says, ooh, I got the pool to myself. Come over to this one, guys. Smarty pants. And Yike does it again. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you're funny. Good job. Look at you just sitting in there. You're funny. The water's filling. The two smart ones, the girls, Yika and Saya, sitting in the pool. And the boys are over here sitting in the bowl, dirty bowl, of course. The boys are doing the dirty bowl, and the girls are doing the clean one. Yeah. Saya, you're just like your mom and your dad, just hanging out in the pool, huh? Nice cold water. What, Yika? Huh? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?